How come I don't see anyone here besides you? Where are your parents?
My mom got very ill, so my dad had to take her to a hospital in the big cities far from here. It'll probably take them a month until they return.
Why didn't you go with them too?
I didn't go because I was waiting for you to return. You didn't come visit me for a long time. I missed you so much.
I'm sorry. I had a lot of work and I couldn't come see you soon.
Since you are here now, you should stay with me.
I will only stay for a couple of nights. Then I'm going back home and prepare because I promised that I will marry you.
What if you don't come back again? I want you to stay here with me forever.
We can be together forever after I come back to marry you.
Okay, but you must keep your promise.
I promise. What did you drop into the fire? It's so dark I can't see a thing.
Kumaoy ha. Kumaoy, yung kulit mo talaga ha. Ute! 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 Ano mo nga ng tubig to? Balik ka dito ha. Ito ta. Walang tubig. Tapos balik dito. Oh! Patawag ka ng tawag sa akin. Atobo.
Ghost. Patayin mo ko sa ghost.
Babalik dito sa papa mo.
Eh, sinasal siya ng kabilang team. Easy tong ho yun sa'yo. Sabi niya sa gamatis ka na sa huli.
Tubig ka!
Sino ba ang inom?
Ako.
Ikaw ba iinom?
Ate, mag-init kayo ng tubig, te.
Food smells
Busog na? Ang bango ng downy ngayon, ma. Ano? Ang bango ng palito ko.